So inside, starting at the front, we have a spin flow 4-burner cooktop with griller and full oven. And of course you've got the stainless steel NCE range hood mounted above into the cabinet work. A good amount of storage above. And of course, quite a decent amount of benchtop space for preparing your meals. And let's have a look inside the cabinets. All well appointed, easy push button catches. And this offside forward corner bathroom, it's a fully moulded affair, making it nice and easy to clean. As you can see, it's got the Thetford bench style cassette toilet, some storage above, and this variable height shower rose with flick mixer tap. This 4-person dinette is comfortable. And of course you can't go past the trifold table. Perfect because when it comes to having a few glasses of wine, a few stubbies of beer or whatever, you can still have lots of leg room, some space for your chips and drinks, and a bit of storage below. As you can see, it's a split kitchen setup with a 150 litre AES 3-way Dometic fridge, a microwave above you set at a user-friendly height, and of course once you're done with dinner you can just hop into bed, watch some TV or enjoy the scenery.